Let's give these onions another feed. I don't know how much of this I'm capturing. Won't be long before planting these out. Next week too. Some of them are big enough to go out now. These are bulking up nicely. That'll do for now. Oh, no, I think I'll go and do the spring onions in the greenhouse while I'm at it. Okay, I've got 4 little sweet peppers that I'm gonna repot. I mean, they don't really need to be repotted yet, but I'm not happy with them. So I think they'll do better in a new compost. So I'm just gonna see if I can get them to slot in here a little bit deeper. Let's just do it. Thought that might happen. Okay. Of course, this is I did say it was called Every, the compost. It's not Every, that's a delivery company. It's Erin. So that's what I'm using here, Erin mixed with vermiculite and perlite. I think especially chilies and peppers, they need the vermiculite and the perlite for the drainage, and seems opposite really, but water retention also. I think the perlite gives it more aeration, and the vermiculite gives it a bit more water retention. What do I do? So I've just got 4 of these to do. That's all I've got for my sweet peppers. You're going to have to do as is. California Wonder. I think I've overwatered them as well. Still, this drier compost is going to help. Yeah. You're getting this yellowing of the leaves as well, which I've had on the chilies. So it might be a good idea to do them now anyway. I think I read that possible cause of the yellowing is a lack of sulphur. Well, I haven't got any sulphur as such, so I'm hoping it's in this new compost. Okay. I'll stop it there. I've done 2 I can do. So I was wondering when to plant these spare garlic bulbs. cloves that I'm going to use for my my blank spaces in the bed. And I thought to myself, what I'll do is wait until I can see roots coming through, and I don't know if this is showing up. There is one tiny root showing up there, but none on the others. So I'll wait until I can see roots coming out of each pot, and then I'll do them all together. Where to put my perennial kale, really, apart from leaving them in pots. I think these are just the cuttings that I took last year. Probably need potting up, a couple of them, but I might I don't really want to put them in the brassica cage, so I'll just leave them in the big pots for now. Trying to find innovative ways of using space. Like this is actually a cut in half garlic that someone was throwing out. So I turned it upside down, filled it with compost, and put this frame above it. And I'm going to go courgettes in it. Asparagus sprout. Now my early onward peas failed. I've no use for this, but it does give me this little bed, which can't be used for that much at the moment because it's quite narrow. So I'm going to stick my these peas I've grown in pots as far back against these garlics as possible, and I'm going to take this fence up and use the bed for salad. Happy now that I've got somewhere to grow some salad for my next batch, and lettuce, etc. So I'm hoping the peas, these early peas, make some progress now. Way up. Let's get him out. Any more? No. That's good to go.